Good morning, students. Today we will begin with exercise 3 given on page number 19. In this exercise, you have to write the place value of the underlined digits. As I have already explained you what is the place value in my previous video. Let me repeat once again. The place value of a digit depends on its position in the number. जो place value होती है किसी भी digit की वो depend करती है कि किस position पे है वो number में. जो digit है वो किस position पे है number पे, like ones पे है, tens पे, hundreds पे, thousands पे है. Okay, so it depends on that. Okay, now come to question 1. Question 1 is write down the place value of the underlined digits. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ numbers given है, इसमें digits जहाँ जो underline है आपको उनकी place value लिखनी है. Like suppose have a look on A part. First is 6000 and the underlined digit here is 6. जो digit underline हुआ है वो कौन सा है? 6. So we have to find out the place value of 6. So this is ones place, this is tens, this is hundreds and this is thousand. तो 6 की place value क्या है? 1000. 6000. So we'll write here 6000. Have a look on second part. Number is 2295. Now we have to find out the place value of 9. Let us check what is the position of 9 in the given number. It's tens. So the place value of 9 is 9 tens. 9 tens means 90. Okay, 9 tens का मतलब क्या होता है? 90. Now in C part we have the number 1300 and we have to find out the place value of digit 3. Let's check ones, tens, 100. तो 3 किस place पे है? 100 पे. It means 300s. Okay. Have a look on D part. 4056. So we have to find out the place value of digit 0. Now this is ones place, this is tens and this is 100. 0 किस place पे है? 100s place पे. तो it will be 0 hundreds. 0 hundreds means 0 only. So the place value of digit 0 in this number will be 0. Okay. Have a look on next part. This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds place. The number is 7698 and we have to find out the place value of digit 6. हमें 6 की place value निकालनी है. 6 किस place पे है? 100s place पे. तो इसकी place value क्या हो जाएगी? 600s. Okay. Have a look on next part. The number is 6302. Now the digit 2 is at ones place. So the place value of digit 2 will be 2 ones. 2 ones means 2 only. Okay. Try G and H part yourself and complete all parts in your maths book only. Now come to question number 2. Question 2 is make numbers with the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands given. अब आपको क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? आपको वंस, टेंस, 100 और 1000 प्लेस के डिजिट्स गिवन है. आपको इन डिजिट्स को प्रॉपरली अरेंज करना है एंड यू हैव टू मेक द नंबर्स. नाउ हाउ यू विल अरेंज? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल मार्क द प्लेसेस. द फर्स्ट इज वंस, देन कम्स टेंस, फिर क्या आता है? 100 एंड देन 1000. ओके, so you remember the place values. Now we'll see. First of all we have to write the digit of the ones place. Ones place का क्या digit है? We can see the digit in the ones place is 5. So we'll write 5 in the ones column. Then tens, the digit in the tens place is 6. So we'll write 6. Then hundreds. This is 1000. We have to write for 100. So we'll see this. The digit in the hundreds place is 4. So we'll write 4 here. Then the digit in the thousands place is 3. So we'll write 3 in thousands column. So our number becomes 3465. This is how you have to make the numbers. Okay, let's have a look on one more part. Again we have been given the digit of the places. We have to make the number. First of all let's mark the places: ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now first of all here we have to write the digit of the ones place. Ones place का क्या digit है? You can see the digit in the ones place given here is 6. So we'll write 6. Then tens place digit is 4. Then hundreds place digit is 2 and thousands place digit is 1. So the number becomes 1246. Okay, try C part yourself. Have a look on D part. It's quite different. You are going to follow the same steps only. First of all, we will be marking the places: ones, tens, hundreds and थाउजेंड. सबसे पहले हमने places mark कर ली: ones, tens, 100, 1000. Let's have a look. What's the digit given in the ones place? It's 2. So we'll write 2 here. Then tens. No, they have not given any digit of the tens place. अब उन्होंने tens place का हमें कोई digit नहीं दिया. So if you have not been given any digit of any particular place, अगर आपको किसी particular place का कोई digit given नहीं है, तो there you have to mention 0. वहाँ पे आपको क्या लिखना है? 0 लिखना है. यहाँ पे tens column का tens place का कोई digit नहीं है, तो I have written 0 in the tens place. Then comes hundreds place. What is the digit in the hundreds place? It's 3. So we'll write 3 over here. Then thousands place digit is 8. So the number becomes 8302. Okay. Remaining parts you can easily complete. You have to try yourself. It's given on page number 19. Complete this work in your maths book only.